Hey, good afternoon. This is Jim Foote with Washington State University's Executive MBA program in the spring of 2018. And this is my Capstone A 3 products idea. So my very first product is really to develop personalized cancer treatment plans on an individualized basis based on the biology of the individual's tumors and the responses to multi-drug combinations. And so the idea behind this is to use science, artificial intelligence, and technology. And by combining all three together, we believe that we can improve outcomes, provide treatment alternatives, and better predict toxicity on an individualized basis. So sadly, over 500,000 patients a year die from cancer. And what does that mean? It means that they failed their primary treatment protocols and even second line therapy. And when patients fail those first line therapies, they're often left with few or no options to extend their life. And what this does is this gives them options. Second is oncologists want combination therapies, but there's no formal mechanism to define safe and effective drug combination therapies. And our product does both of those. From a competitive perspective, there's really only two main competitors. The very first is patients and doctors who are unwilling to challenge unconventional treatment approaches. The other is Foundation One and Champions Oncology. But again, when you compare the services that we do against theirs, we do a complete array, everything from DNA and RNA sequencing to drug panels to toxicology against the drugs that were tested. No other competitor in the market offers that full suite of services. So cancer treatment is a $90 billion business annually. And if you look at the 500,000 people that fail their primary treatments, if we could just capture 4% of that market, that's 18,000 patients, that this product idea could potentially be a $100 million business. Thank you. So my second product idea is it's an application that actually locks your cell phone screen when it's paired with your Bluetooth device in your car, only allowing voice interaction through the phone and through the car's infotainment system. So the next time that you're sitting at an intersection, look around and take note, and you'll see many drivers staring down at their phones. The number can be disconcerting, to say the least. And the U.S. Department of Transportation says that 500,000 injuries and 6,000 deaths are attributed to distracted driving. So potential buyers for this product, I break down into three categories. They're the corporate enterprise buyers like Microsoft and Ford, who are looking to create a competitive advantage in that automotive space. But most likely it's going to be corporate customers that manage fleets of cars and are looking to reduce their risks, or concerned consumers or parents who are looking to provide a higher level of driving safety. So the market for this is most likely going to be consumers. And if you could price this application at a reasonable cost, say $5 from the App Store, but yet you could receive a $100 discount from your insurance company if you had a technology like this in place, who wouldn't sign up for that? The other is there are laws in 46 states that outlawed distracted driving or texting. And so states may actually mandate a technology like this. So believe it or not, there's not a lot of competition in this space. There are a couple of apps that are self-selecting apps, meaning I have to manually go in and disable my phone. There is one company that offers a plug-in into the computer port on the car that allows it to be disabled. But believe it or not, there's not a lot of competition in this market. I think the biggest competition would be consumers that feel like this is an invasion of their privacy or this is an invasion of their privileges. But with 327 million cell phones in America and 253 million cars on the road, if you could just capture 16% of those early adopters, that's 52 million cars or 52 million phones. At $5 a piece, this could be a potential $262 million business proposition. Thank you. My third and final product is a customer service agent, a product that increases customer satisfaction, improves agent productivity, decreases handle time, and improves company margins by integrating people, process, and technology and artificial intelligence into a seamless customer service portal. So the reality is when I pick up the phone and call Domino's, they know who I am and they know what I had last or what I ordered last. Why can't any company that provides customer support for a product or service that I purchased do that for me? And so that's part of what this technology will do. So the reality is, in the customer service market, there's really only 4 different ways to interact with a company. Pick up the phone and call them, go online and chat, email them, or open a trouble ticket online and submit it to them. But what nobody's been successful in doing is stitching all of those technologies together, combining it with artificial intelligence and natural language processing, and providing assistance to solve problems real time, no matter the channel that that customer experience comes in on. And that these natural language processors combined with artificial intelligence have the ability to listen and then to make suggestions directly to the client or the help desk agent on the best solution to solve their problem. As previously stated, there is no competition in this space other than individual point solutions. So with outsourced customer support being an $84 billion business and customer self-service software alone being $9 billion, if we could capture 10% of that market, this could potentially be a $1 billion business. Thank you.